Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make 3D mobile pop-out effect in Canva. So I'll make this picture from this to this. So let's start with it. So for this tutorial I'll choose Instagram post as my canvas. So next I'll go to photos and I will choose smartphone. So I'll quickly scroll down to find which picture looks the best for us. So we'll use this picture, okay? So I'll go to edit image and here I will use background remover. And when the background is removed, we will click on apply. So as you can see, the saving is done. So I will quickly rotate it like this and just crop out the portions which are not required. And now we'll make it bigger. Okay. So this one is good for us. Now we'll click here and go to edit image and click on shadows. We'll click on drop and I want the shadows to be on this side. So this one I will keep it as 2 is good for us. Let's work on the transparency part. So this one I will keep on 38. This one I will increase to 9. You have to just memorize this because for the later one we also need the same settings here. So we will click on apply. Okay, so the first step is done. Now I will click on photos again. Let's wait for this. So the saving is done. And we'll go to photos again and this time I will use this image. So the keyword is your woman with camera. Okay. So this image I will bring it to the frame here and rotate it like it is looking same here or not. Okay. So as you can see this picture is same here. I will make it bigger. Okay. So I will crop out the portions which are not required here. Make it slightly bigger. I will cropping out the parts which are not required for this image. Okay. So this cropping part is done. Now I will click on this image, go to edit image and click on background remover again. We'll click on apply. Okay. We'll click on duplicate here. And this time I will click on restore original. Okay. So as you can see this is done. Now I will click on layer and I will click on send backward. Okay, so send backward is done. Now I will crop out this part. Okay, so this cropping is done, as you can see. So this is the image, but it is not complete here. Let's see if we are missing out in parts or not. So some zoom is required here. It's done. Now I will click on this image, and now we will work on the shadows. Go to drop again. So as you can see, we have to remember this 2038 and this one is 9. Okay. So as you can see, this one is coming this side, so we have to bring it to the other side. So we have to work on bottom left. Let's see. There's two left. So this one looks good for us. We will click on apply. Now the shadow is done, but as you can see, this is not aligned, so we have to make it aligned again. Now as you can see, this is aligned. Let's work on it slightly. This is now aligned perfectly. Now we have to go to the background part, work on the background. For this we are using this image, which is sky blue radial gradient background. Okay, so it is free to use. The other two images, the phone image and this character image, you can see it is available in Canva Pro. Okay, so we have to click on set image as background. So as you can see, the image is ready, and here is a tutorial of 3D mobile pop-out effect. Hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel to watch more of our tutorials. Thank you.